In this training video, we're going to look at the use of custom slides within PowerPoint. So for example, if you wanted to, you could go to the Slideshow tab and choose an option called Custom Slideshow. Now what this is going to do for you, it's going to give you the option of not showing your entire presentation during a slideshow. So you might only want to see certain components of a presentation, or you might want to split your presentation up into multiple custom slideshows to show to various parts of the organization before you do a big presentation to a big customer. So we're going to look at this option. So custom show on the slideshow tab. I'm going to click the arrow. I'm going to choose custom shows. We're going to call this, so we're going to give it new a name, and the name is going to be visual slides. So we're going to look at slide 4. Going to add that one. We'll look at slide 6. Slide 7. Slide 8 and slide 9. So only these slides I want to show people for our visual slides within the presentation. Going to click OK. Now we can show this ourselves right now to see what it would look like. So you can always edit a custom show by adding more slides to it. You can remove it, you can copy it. So let's show it to see what it looks like. So there's the first visual slide, then the next one, and the next one, and the final one. And that then shows us what the presentation is going to look like with this particular custom show. Now you might say, well, what happens right now if we were to play a slideshow? Well, let's have a look. So we're going to play the slideshow from the beginning and see if the custom show is now available to us, or whether we've got to do something to set the custom show up. So from beginning, and we can see it goes to the first slide, which is called Holiday Snaps, the heading, and it starts going to the text slide. So even though we've now created this custom show, we can see in the slideshow itself, it's not available to us at present. So we've now got to set it to a custom show if we want to show that custom show to our audience. So I'm going to press Escape. Now to set the custom show to display to your audience, it's the Slideshow tab, and it's under Setup Slideshow. And then you can show slides all from one slide to another slide, or custom shows. We're going to set it in this example to custom shows. Now if we had lots of custom shows, we can then choose which one we want. Well, in this example, we've only got one custom show, which is visual. We've now set it, so when we press from beginning, it's going to show the visual slides custom show. So okay, let's see what happens now. Slideshow from beginning, and there's the first of our visuals because we've set it to custom shows. I'm just going to go through it. There's the second custom. So they're all visuals. Next. Next. And there's the end of that show. If you then wanted to set it back to the entire presentation, Slideshow tab, Setup Slideshow, and then change it back to all. Click OK. Now if I go from beginning, it's going to go from slide 1. And now we're back to the text slides. And I'm going to press Escape at this point to come out of the presentation. But this completes the use of custom shows within Microsoft PowerPoint. and displaying custom shows within the presentation, as well as setting the slideshow back to all slides.